Hi nail fam, I hope you guys are doing well. So I did receive the Your Nail Lab in a box from Makartt for the month of November. They were kind enough to send me over a box, so a huge thank you to Makartt for sending me these products. So I'm just going to take everything out of the box, let you see what they are, and then we're going to get into a Christmas nail design. So the first thing that I'm reaching for here is a set of press-ons. Now I have received this exact same press-on, I think 2 boxes ago. And it's like a gold glitter and a purple kind of polished color on there. I actually think I have the colors. Fun fact, I think the press-on nails that Makartt has are of the same colors of the gel polish that they sell as well. Okay, so that's the press-on. So we have gel polish. You guys know that I absolutely love gel polish, and we have another gel liner. So this gel liner is called Rose in Red. Let's see what this is. So yeah, so that's just like a red. So it looks like we're gonna do some, I don't know, some candy cane nails. Those are pretty popular at the minute. We have a yellow gel polish, and this one is called Apricot Beauty. Oh, it's like a nice mustard. Well, not mustard, like a honey mustard. That's a beautiful color. This would be perfect for the fall season. And then we have another one of these pink. Now in the last box, we had, I think, pink syrup. And in the box before that, I think we had another pink jelly color. But this one's different. This one's a little bit darker. And it's very similar to the polygel, to a polygel that they have as well. All right, so this one's called pink grapefruit. So we have pink syrup, now we have pink grapefruit. I love these little jelly-like colors. They are super, super pretty. I have quite a bit of them. Okay, next we have some nail glitter. And this one is called Garden Party. Beautiful, that's a lot of glitter too. It's gonna last you forever. What size is this? 1 ounce, so that's 1 ounce of raw glitter. Beautiful purple color. And then we have 2 polygels, and we have a polygel brush, and it's purple. Absolutely love, I love purple. All right, throw that box to the side. Okay, so we have 2 polygels here. I have not done polygel nails for a long time, and I've actually not done the lazy girl method for quite some time as well. So I think I might do that today because I'm lazy and I don't like shaping with polygel, you know. So this first one is called Ellet and Daffodil. So we have a yellow. I have not, let me open this up off camera. Okay, and one thing about these polygels, Makartt packs them and double packs them in there, so they really make sure the polygel don't get damaged. Okay, let's see what this yellow looks like. All right, okay, so that's how that yellow polygel looks like. Looks quite fluorescent, doesn't it? Like luminous a little bit. I'll have to put it under the UV light to see what it looks like. Nice, beautiful kind of banana mango color. This one I'm curious to see. Because since we have this like red gel liner, we could do, wow. We could do a frosted, or we could do, see what we going on here. Or she take white. It's like a sparkly one. Snowflake vibes. Okay, let's give this a quick cure. That's beautiful. Let's see what it looks like in the sun. Sparkling. Oh, we need to do some frosted nails. Hey, let me get my creativity together. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a cure under the UV lamp, but then I'll come back and we get into the nails. Well, I supposed to just be sticking to like the stuff that's in this box, and I just pulled out some other polygels I had not swatched. I think these were from other Your Nail Lab boxes as well. Crimson Cherry, Top Notch, Pumpkin Orange, and Azalea. So I'm just gonna quickly swatch these as well because I feel like I want to use the Crimson Cherry with this one here. and I might want to use the white, and I might want to use top notch edge. Well, I just don't know. So give me a minute to get my creativity juice flowing. I'll be right back. So after an hour of me swatching all of those poly gels, I don't actually end up using them. I was actually really looking forward to doing some Lazy Girl poly gel nails. I haven't done them in such a long time. But I ended up going to do some GELX nails. So I've already applied these 3XL squares onto my nails. And then I had the second problem of trying to figure out, did I want to do another red polish set or did I want to do a blue polish set? So I ended up pulling up some, gel polishes from Makartt. But then I decided, let's stick to the products that's actually in this November box. So I stick to the red. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply some rubber base gel, which is stronger, especially when I'm wearing 3XL squares, because usually when I just have just base gel on my nail, it's not strong enough and sometimes my nail can bend a little bit. The rubber base gel just gives me that extra strength that I need for longer nails or any nail in general. Once I have this layer on, and this is buildable, if you want this darker, you can go with additional layers, but I'm fine with just that one layer. I'm going to take this gel polish here from Makartt. This one is called Passion, and it is like a shimmery, beautiful, soft pink. I thought this would be perfect for the base color of this nail. Just going to go in with one layer, and I'm going to put this under the UV lamp and cure it for 60 seconds. All right, so now that pink layer has been cured, I'm now going to go in with the design. So as you would have seen from the thumbnail, or if you follow me on Instagram or even TikTok and Facebook, I already posted these on those channels. So we're going to do another split French nail. No, it's not split French. It's a split nail. So I'm just going to take this beautiful pigmented red gel liner. Just going to go down the center of the nail. I'm going to fill in half of this nail. This is going to be my sweater side. And then the other half of the nail, we're going to draw some Christmas lights. So we're going to be using some different gel liners to create the colors of the bulbs. So I'm going to be quiet just for a little bit and let you watch me create this nail set in detailed. I'm only going to do the thumb because my phone ended up dying. So after I did the thumb, my phone died and I had to put it on charge. So I grabbed a footage of the completed nail set. But I did do a small mini tutorial whilst my phone was charging. So that's going to be on Instagram showing you in detailed. Okay, so I will be quiet just for a little bit, let you watch this amazing, wonderful nail tutorial. I'll be right back. Now, I always just tell y'all I'm going to be quiet for a little bit and then come right back. And then I don't actually end up being quiet for a little bit. It's very short-lived. I'm very, very talkative and I like to explain stuff. So apologies to anyone that doesn't like long-winded videos. Okay, so now we're going to do the Christmas lights. Now, everybody know what Christmas lights is. And there's no special technique to drawing Christmas lights. But drawing nail art on camera, I have mentioned this before, is very challenging because I really need to have my eyeball literally next to the nail. And I'm constantly wiping my brush because with gel liners, the gel polish goes up into the cap and then it drains down onto the leg of the brush or the arm of the brush. And then out of nowhere, it just drops onto your nail design and creates a mess. So you're going to constantly see me cleaning my brush, trying to make sure that I don't have too much onto the tip of the nail because I need this as thin as possible. So you're going to take your black line art gel or brown, and you're going to draw a squiggly line going down the nail. Once you're done, sorry for smacking guys. Once you're done with your squiggly line, then you're just going to draw a few loops. If you ever look at a cord, there's always a little twist and a little bend in the cord it's getting tangled up. So I just wanted this to look as realistic as I possibly could. So I'm going to draw a few loops in here, and then we're going to draw where we're going to put the bulbs, and then we're going to grab some reflective gel liners and Makartt gel liner, and we're going to draw our bulbs on to the nail. All right, so once we are done with the light bulbs, now we're just going to go ahead and apply our top coat all over the entire nail and then give this a cure. Because for my sweater design, I'm going to be using some dip powder from Nailboo, which is a dip powder company. I actually haven't, I need to do an unboxing. Anyway, back to, right, what I was saying was, for this sweater, I'm going to just use a little bit of dip powder to kind of sugar it up. So I'm putting my top coat on now, and then I'm just going to go ahead and use Makartt's gel liner, and we're just going to go ahead and draw the outline of the sweater. We're going to pour our dip powder onto the nail, and then we're going to give it a final cure under the UV lamp. Now, when I'm doing my sweater nail designs, I like to do like two little lines next to each other, and then we're just going to connect them like a little S underneath, all right? Now, for the dip powder, you could use clear dip powder, or you could actually use clear acrylic powder. I end up using like a gold glitter mix instead of the clear from Nailboo because I thought it would give a nice little shimmery effect to the sweater nail design. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour this onto the nail, and then we're going to give it a final cure under the UV lamp. Oh, that dip powder, that color is so pretty and so sparkly. It looks just like Christmas. You know, the little Christmas decoration was beyond the tree? Yeah, that's just how it look. Okay, so here's how it looks in the dark. Stunning. Now, like I said, my phone did die, so I ended up just finishing the rest of the nails off camera, and it was already several hours, guys. So basically, I just added some lines with some white gel liner with the green and the red gel liner from Makartt, and I just did like a squiggly side front. So hope you guys were able to enjoy this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you to Makartt and Your Nail Lab for sending this box over for me to review. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.